Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to link Instagram to Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook profile, edit profile, edit your about information, contact and basic information, and here you will find this section websites and social links. Click this pencil icon and then click add a social link, and then click here and select here Instagram. Then here you have to put your Instagram username. So I'm pasting my Instagram username here, then click on OK, and here we can see my Instagram has been added to my Facebook account. Now let's check it out. Here we can see my Instagram account has been connected to my Facebook account. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.